As we were cuddling, I shoved a meat grinder up your ass. So as I'm walking away without a meat grinder in my hands, I look back and see that God is by. But just like that, I shoved a meat grinder up your ass. What you know about Meth and Walter? What you gonna know about my YouTube search history feed? Plain fruit, now I'm grinding. The three little pigs flying to heaven. I'm killing Spider-Man without no kryptonite. Now that meat grinder's warming up your ass. Let's go! I crashed the plane into the Twin Towers. But little did I know, Young Gravy was trying to make it snow. Poisoning Jews with my gay boo. But little did I know is that I didn't have a meat grinder to show. But if you told me 5 years ago that I would have shoved a meat grinder up of Ryan Reynolds' ass, I'd be telling you it was a joke while I was hitting the gritty on the snow. I'd be hitting the gritty on my beady-da-doop while he's getting sturdy. Buddy, 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 da-da-da-da-da-whoop. Buddy da dum 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 like a hooper. Kobe Bryant is a hooter.